welcome to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to play the Bruno Mars song Uptown Funk on the drum kit. It's really easy. We're going to teach you a simple drum beat, and for it you're going to have to play this kick drum on every beat on 1, 2, 3 and 4. When we move across to the hi-hat, you'll play 2 hits for every beat. So it'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's see how that sounds, and then we can add in the snare drum later. Brilliant. That's pretty easy if you ask me. So now we're going to add in the snare drum. On 2 and 4, here we go. So there you go. That's how you play the groove to Bruno Mars' Uptown Funk. Moving on to the chorus, we're going to play the same drum beat. However, towards the end of the chorus, we're going to change it up a little bit. On the hi-hat, when we get to beat 3, we're going to move our right hand from the hi-hat onto the snare drum. And here we'll play 6 hits on the snare drum. It'll sound like this. Da 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 da. We're going to do it 3 times through at 80 beats per minute. Okay, now at the very end of the chorus, we're going to play a flam, stamp, flam, stamp, flam, stamp. Here's how it'll sound at 80 BPM. Okay, we're going to put it all together now at 80 BPM. Here we go. Brilliant guys, there you have it. Go check out our full cover of Bruno Mars, Uptown Funk, if you haven't checked it already. It'll be right over here. But for now, see you next time.